guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your BNB BEP20 address on Trust Wallet so you can easily receive or send BNB. It's simple, safe, and I'll guide you through every step. Let's start. First, open the Trust Wallet app on your phone. Make sure your wallet is set up and ready to use. This app is very popular for managing cryptocurrencies like BNB, Ethereum, and more. After opening the app, enter your password or PIN to unlock your wallet. This ensures your funds and information stay secure. Once unlocked, you'll be taken to the main wallet screen. On the top right corner, tap the search icon. Here, you can search for any cryptocurrency available in your wallet. Type BNB in the search bar. You'll see different BNB options appear. Select the one labeled BNB Smart Chain. This is the BEP20 version. Once the BNB Smart Chain wallet opens, tap the Receive button at the bottom left corner. This will display your BNB BEP20 wallet address. Here you can see your BEP20 wallet address. Tap Copy to copy it to your clipboard, so you can use it to receive BNB or share it with others safely. And that's how you can easily find and copy your BNB BEP20 address on Trust Wallet. Make sure to always double-check the address before sending or receiving crypto. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crypto tips. Comment below if you want more Trust Wallet tutorials. See you in the next video.